from touchdown at an Irish airport or from arrival at a port?
Yeah, sure. So if we take the airport, so I got a full run through on Sunday myself, right from where passengers get off the plane, right through to going up to the hotel room and indeed leaving the mandatory hotel quarantine facility 10 to 12 days later. So essentially, on a plane, passengers, there will be an announcement on the plane saying for any passengers who have come from or transited through one of these 33 Category 2 countries within the last 14 days that they're to remain on the plane. So the other passengers will then leave. Those passengers will then go into a separate area. They'll be met by the border management unit within the airport. They'll be engaged with, the paperwork will be gone through and so forth. And then they're brought down to the customs officials where they can collect their bags again. They're with officials the whole time. They will be in a separate part while the bags will be coming out and so on. They are then handed over to the Defence Forces. So the Defence Forces are the state liaison. They're doing end-to-end operational oversight for the full system. The passengers will then be brought on a bus to the hotel. They're brought in, they get the welcome packs, they get brought through health questionnaires and so forth, and then they're brought to the rooms. And essentially that is the start for most people of a stay somewhere between 10 and 12 days. As you said in the question, there's a second group, which is those who arrive without the pre-flight PCR. That's a much shorter stay. And as soon as they get a clear result from a PCR test, they can move on then to home quarantine. That's if they've come from a country that is not a Category 2 country.